This home has a $1 million view without the price tag. Located in the beautiful Owen Sound. I'm Krista Norrish, your real estate expert with Royal LePage. Come on in, let me show you around. Located in a family-friendly neighborhood, steps to walking and hiking trails and Notre Dame School, close to shopping amenities and restaurants. This home overlooks the inlet of Georgian Bay to Owen Sound. This is a view you will want to wake up to day in and day out. The first thing you'll notice when you enter the home is the beautiful engineered hardwood throughout the main floor. Actually, let's be real. The first thing you'll notice is that view, perfectly captured by the floor-to-ceiling windows. Picture yourself sitting on the balcony, enjoying a glass of wine and watching the sunset over the bay. Or cooking a delicious meal in the open-concept kitchen and living area. Hosting a dinner party with a sunset backdrop. This home truly sets the mood for any occasion. The main floor also features a bright study den, grand master with ensuite, second bedroom, and powder room. The lower level has a third bedroom with potential to add a fourth. Your cozy family room with natural gas fireplace walks out to backyard patio. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you have more questions about the property, please comment below.